What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Gala Games token. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news related to this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should you do if you want to trade this token or if you want to invest in this token. Basically, I will show you two options. So, and let's continue with the price chart. I made my previous video right here when we hit this previous top, and I've told you that if we will break it to the upside and retest it from the top and with a good conviction of volume bounce to the upside, in this case we will confirm our uptrend. Otherwise, if we will bounce back from this range, we might see lower price targets, and as you can see, it happened. It happened right after I made my previous video. And I've told you that if you want to enter the position, never enter the position with the lump sum. Always ladder your buys down. Only in this case you will be able to have the most attractive average price in order to achieve much higher profits. So, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis in just several minutes, and let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto industry. For now, we are sitting at the $2.21 trillion of total market cap. It is a tiny increase of 0.2% over the last day. As you can see, we don't have major movements along the main cryptocurrencies. We are pretty much moving sideways, and that's why we have to be cautious. So let me show you the Gala numbers. For now it has a total market cap of $3.099 billion. It's down for about 5.4%. And the total tradable volume during the last 24 hours is $385.19 million. And it's down for about 26.35%. I have to say that this diminishing volume is quite significant sign that we might have a huge bounce to the upside, because we don't have much volume with this sideways movement. This means not so many people and investors want to enter or leave their position right here at these very ranges. That's why we can have major movements with the lower volume, and these movements might be massive. So let's continue with the recent news related to this token. And we are on thedailyhodl.com website, and this article was published on December 17th and it's titled "Ethereum whales are accumulating new gaming altcoin in huge amounts, and it is not Axie Infinity, Decentraland or the Sandbox." And let me quote you this. While the metaverse going mainstream has seen several altcoins explode in value and recognition, crypto whales are gobbling up a lesser-known gaming project. According to crypto tracker WhaleStats, Gala Games accounts for nearly 1% of total holdings, a whopping $519.5 million among the top 1,000 Ethereum whale wallets. And right here you can see the comparison with the Axie Infinity, Decentraland and the Sandbox. And these numbers are showing us that we might have a major movement to the upside, because when the whales accumulate their position, most probable we will have a huge movement to the upside. And let me show you one more interesting article. We are on Gadgets 360, and this article was published also on December 17th, and it's titled "Blockchain gaming firm Gala Games announces first limited land sale in NFT-powered Legacy." And let me quote you this. Blockchain gaming company Gala Games will be launching its first limited land sale in a game called Legacy, which is powered by non-fungible tokens. The company is advertising this land sale in its game world as every creative entrepreneur's dream come true. The game will now allow players to build their own businesses in the Legacy ecosystem from scratch. Of the 4,661 pieces of plot that were made available for purchase, 4,500 have already been sold for $54 million in the virtual land. And I have to say that this news is a huge news related to Gala Games token, because it is basically one of the first steps when users can buy in gaming universe a piece of land, and potentially this piece of land might increase in its value. But let me show you this. While the legacy NFTs can technically outlast the game, the long-term value they'll have if the game itself becomes unplayable remains unclear as of now. And it is also crystal clear that if the game will be shut down or if this game will be unpopular, these investments might lose the entire of its value, and that's why we have to be cautious. So, and let me show you this website. We are on appwisdom.io, and this website tracks the activity around the Reddit communities related to certain assets. And if you switch to Cryptos tab folder right here, on the 50th place you can find, let me show it you, you can find the Gala Games token. And as you can see, it becomes lower by 4 rows, and it has a decrease in the number of mentions, and for now it has only 15 mentions with 41 upvotes. So the volume is also diminishing on this trend chart, and that's why we have to be cautious with our potential investments. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I don't need this tool because we already passed this price action. And what should you do if you want to enter this short-term position, if you want to catch the trade? Basically, let me show you that we have several bottoms, swing lows, as you can see, at the price point of $0.44. Next one at $0.42, and this lowest point at around 37.14 cents. So, if you want to catch the trade, you can accumulate while the price going down, and these might be your accumulation levels. But if you want to invest in this asset, your accumulation point should be slightly different. As you can see, I marked them with these green bars, and these are main accumulation points for those of you who want to invest in this coin for the long term. Because these accumulation points are related to the Fibonacci retracement levels, and I pulled the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom to the top because we finished all 5-way structure. And these levels are the key levels from which we might have a trend reversal. And that's why if we will go lower than 0.5 level, where we are now particularly, we might land at this range of golden pocket, and it is the range in between 34.56 cents and 37.06 cents. And if we will break this range, next potential accumulation level might be at the price points of slightly above 23.95 cents. So I think it is quite useful information for you, and let me show you that if you want to trade this asset, your price targets might be right here. This previous swing high of 35.71% of potential profits, this top of the B wave of about 60.5% of potential profits, and this all-time high at around 83.69% of potential profits. But if you want to invest in this asset, your price targets might be following. It is a 0.786 Fibonacci extension level at the price point of 98.44 cents. Next one might be at 1-to-1 extension. It is a $1.15 price point. And next one, the most aggressive one, might be right here at 1.618 extension level at $1.63. And from our current price to our highest, the most aggressive target, we might have about 251% of potential profits. So I think it's quite good setup, and you have to be prepared for the major movement in upcoming days. And that's why you still have to be cautious, but without the risk you cannot have rewards. And from the technical standpoint, I think that's it. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!